Hi, my name is William with Data Analytics. Now, there are several ways you can calculate the financial or the calendar quarter given a date. Quarters are normally driven by the month number that you're talking about. To compute the quarter, you can use a number of methods. The first one being using of VLOOKUP, where you create a lookup table with months and quarter descriptions, as you can see here. Next, you can use the roundup function. You can also use the ceiling function, and you can as well work with the choose function. In this lesson, we are going to look at how you can use the choose function. You can download the file that goes with this video, what you see on the screen, from the video description below. Now we have this data for different customers. We have been given the order date from which we want to extract the quarter for our reporting. Now let's type quarters here for the column heading. In cell E2, let's type the choose function equals choose and open brackets. Now the choose function returns the kth item, say the third or the fourth instance from a list of values. That is, it returns a value from a list of values based on an index or a number that defines which position is the item of interest in that list. So in this case, our index is the month number. So we use the month function and we choose A2 and close bracket. That gives us the index number. And then the list of values that we shall type, assuming we have a normal calendar, it will be 1, 1, 1, then 2, 2, 2, 3, 3, 3, 4, 4, 4. So those are 12 months list, each grouped in its own quarter. This means that if the month function evaluates to a 10, like we expect in this first row because we are talking of 13th of October, then the choose function will return the 10th item from this list. So it will return this the 10th item, which is number 4. So it's quarter number 4. So we shall then append a letter Q at the beginning so that we have a better description. Put it in quotes followed with an ampersand so that you combine that and you have that list of quarters. So you can see we have the quarters now based on the calendar date. Now assuming our financial quarter doesn't start from January and rather starts from July, then we shall have the choose function as before, equals choose. The month function gives us the index, close bracket, comma. Then the list of values will start from 3, 3, 3, then 4, 4, 4, 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 2. What that means is that if this month A2, if this function gives us a number 1, that's January, then it will be assigned quarter 3. If it gives us a 10, like in this row, then it will be assigned this number 2, which is the 10th item, and therefore it will be quarter 2. Again, let's append letter Q or QTR if you like, in quotes followed with an ampersand. Okay. Then you can autofill this, and you can see now we have, these are the fiscal or the financial quarters for a calendar that starts from July 1st. So October here is quarter 2. Initially it was quarter 4. This is February. It's quarter 1 initially, but now it's quarter 3. So that is it for now. Now, will you do me a favor? Kindly press the share button below and choose your preferred platform. That means a lot for me. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below as well.